Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we have an unboxing and I'm also going to include the full review after a couple days of the SZC TWS Bluetooth 5.0 wireless earphones. Now you guys know I love my share of wireless earphones and these are one of the cheaper options. When I saw it last on Amazon, it was $38.99. This is a partnership video with SZC, so they did send me these, but I'm still going to give my honest opinion on them and everything. You guys know, like I said, I've used so many wireless earbuds, so we will compare to the more expensive ones to maybe the cheaper fake AirPods I've used, and we'll see how it goes. But let's get into this unboxing. It's very simple, which is nice. Okay. Pull that up to the side. So here is the case, very big case. We'll see. I'll test it in my pockets and everything. It is USB type C, so you do love to see that, and there they are. But let's see what else we get in the box. Okay. Looks like more ear tips, so just in case it doesn't fit right, maybe there's different sizes right there. Then there is a USB Type-C cable, so it's always good to have an extra one of these. Last thing you get in the box is a little user manual. Oh, and then the case does light up based on what percentage the case has, so that's nice as well. So let's get right back into the earbuds themselves. Give a quick setup and then maybe a quick first impression. I'll listen to a couple things. So we'll bring out my Pixel to do the setup. There's not going to be any pop-up screen or anything you see in AirPods or fake AirPods or Google Pixel Buds or any of that. So we're right here into Bluetooth and we'll open these back up. Pair new device. Are these them? Okay, so when they are connected, it says a little connected in your ear. So let's get the other one out as well. So there's a little bit of passive noise cancellation, which is nice. And I'd say the most similar thing to these would be the Beats Power Beat, just based on how they fit over the ear, and then they're still an in-ear style. So we'll play some music and I will tell you what I think. Okay, they get pretty loud. That's good. Okay, we're back after listening. This right here, it's not very rough or anything, so it feels quite comfortable yet secure. I'm gonna come back in the second part of this video to give my full review after trying to use them for a day or two at least, and in my normal usage. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to the review part. It's been a couple days and I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion on it. So the fit is pretty nice even after using it over a longer period of time. The touch controls work pretty well. Depending on if you're using the right or the left, there's different controls, but basically you have a clickable button right here. And I've never been a huge fan of the clickable button. I like just the touch sensitive ones you get on the Galaxy Buds or others. But these were pretty good. It's easy to get used to quite quickly. Overall, I also like the profile that it goes in your ear. It's not too easy to see. It's not like AirPods. It keeps a low profile and looks quite nice. The IP rating in them allows them to be used without a worry whether you're working out or walking in some rain, so that's quite useful. As for the design of the case and everything, it's a bit hefty, you know. It's pocketable, but in jeans, if someone saw you with these, they might think you're excited to see them. But yeah, they definitely aren't the slimmest profile case, but I do appreciate USB Type-C a lot. There is no wireless charging though, and I would like that because I do use my wireless chargers a lot with my earphones. As for the sound quality, I found that they have a decent seal, so passive noise cancellation has been okay. It's not nearly as good as something like the Galaxy Buds or the Galaxy Buds Plus, but then again, it's much less expensive. There's a little bit of bass, but I feel like we lose a little bit in the highs and lows. Those could be a little better overall. But for $50, this is going to do exactly what most people need it to do. They get pretty loud, they get to the point where it's too loud for me if I go on full volume, so thumbs up for that. I think they'd work better in an area like a plane just because of how loud they get, obviously, but you can't expect that for the $38 to $50 depending on when you get it on Amazon. I'd say the sound quality overall is solid for the price point. In this price range, you're not going to get too much better than this. As for the mic quality, it could be a little bit better, but it works in normal environment situations. I didn't have too much of an issue when trying to call people on it. As for the battery life, my experience has met expectations overall. I think the rated 6 hours of battery life on the earbuds themselves is pretty spot on. For me, that's more than enough. I don't usually use my wireless earbuds for more than 3 hours straight, unless I'm on something like a plane where I might use them longer. As for this beefy case, although it's not the nicest to put in a pocket, you do get an extra like 30 hours-ish of battery, so you don't have to worry about charging them all the time, which is awesome. Overall, I'd say battery life is on par with that of AirPods, Pixel Buds, and of some of the better ones. As for the connectivity, as you can see right here, it is Bluetooth 5.0. I didn't notice any interruptions due to it being Bluetooth. After I connected them to the first time to my Pixel here, it was quite seamless to use them. All you have to do is open up the case, take it out, and as you can see right there, it automatically connected. Finally, we'll talk about value, and right here I'll show you what they're going on Amazon for right now, but mine were about $38, and I've seen them at $50 and at $38. As I may have alluded to, I think you get a pretty nice package for the price. If you don't care too much about getting the highest quality audio and want something that just works, I can definitely recommend these. In conclusion, these are for the budget conscious people. As I also just said, if you want something that just works, these are nice. Bluetooth 5.0 is going to help with. And finally, I think that these are great for the people who want to work out. With the IPX7 rating, you don't have to worry about your sweating or damaging them, and they fit quite snugly in the ear. So I hope this is helpful and you like this video. Let me know if you want to see more wireless earbuds on the channel. Hope you all are doing well, and peace.